This AC joint reconstruction system is designed to stabilize acromioclavicular joint separations using a straightforward open or mini-open technique. The procedure begins with surgical exposure of the clavicle and coracoid. A drill guide is positioned and 1.5 mm guide wire is passed through the clavicle and into the coracoid to establish the correct tunnel path. The tunnel is then created by drilling over the guide wire using a 3.5 mm cannulated drill. Once the tunnel is prepared, the guide wire and drill are removed. The ARTHRO-KI lock delivery handle comes with a preloaded oblong coracoid button and round clavicle button attached with high-strength fiber wire. The handle is now passed smoothly through the clavicle and coracoid tunnels. As the implant exits beneath the coracoid button is deployed by controlled rotation of the metallic knob located on the proximal end of the handle. Hold the black handle, push and pull the metallic knob under C-arm guidance until button deployment is confirmed. Then unwind the fiber wire and release the round button. Controlled tension is applied to the suture ends while gentle pressure is maintained at the clavicle. This gradually reduces the clavicle to its anatomical position, restoring coracoclavicular distance. After confirming proper reduction and fixation, the sutures are secured and trimmed. The result is a stable reconstruction of the acromioclavicular joint using a reliable and efficient fixation system. ARTHRO-KI, a product range by ARTHRO-KI. Quality you can trust.